So one of the questions I will always ask, and based on one of the pop-up principles of if you have a big enough why, it'll get you through anything. And if you don't have a big why, you'll produce one blog and then stop. And we see online so many blogs that have one article written in 2016 and then they've died. So to avoid that, it's the size of the why that will drive you through this stuff. So why are you doing this? What's motivating you? What's driving you? Do you have a why, or is it just something for fun?
No, there's a why, a deep why, and the why is probably like a multi-strand cord, if you will. A big part of it, and the essence of it is, as I have built my career and the business that I was fortunate enough to be part of and build, I was always starving for behind the scenes examples. Like I just, if I'd meet someone who had built a business or, read somebody's book or read their blog, and I was just so hungry for not purely just the advice or the how-to, but more so, what was it like? What was it like to get your first customer? What was it like to lose a customer? What was it like to hire someone? What was it like to raise money? Or, when you put your board together, who did you talk to? How many people did you talk to get that board member? Did you get the wrong board member? How'd you deal with investors? So the people that helped me and the sources of information were extremely valuable. And I'd like to participate, pay it forward, if you will, by providing not only my own experiences and examples that, I personally witnessed, but the people that I've come in contact with, the other entrepreneurs that I still stay in communication with. And I imagine the vast number of people that are building great businesses that would like to share their story or share their questions and help develop that. So the essence of the why is, as a growing business entrepreneur myself, every scrap of behind the scenes, how did you do that? What was it like? Was like oxygen to feed me and our team. And that's the main thread that I want to put into the content, both in written form and, of course, in podcast form as well.
So I love that. So you are going to provide an oxygen mask to the next generation of entrepreneurs.
Yeah, that's good. We'll hope it's that powerful. But it'll definitely be experiences. People can do with it what they will.